Tell Pharaoh to let my people go.
Dito konde sambiro yawe.
Yup.
Say we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with the sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Say we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with the sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind.
The Lord spoke to Moses from a burning bush.
Let's get my children out of Egypt.
I heard they cry, I remember my covenant. Now it's a time for me to honor my promises. Get you up out of the misery in Egypt. Get you up out of the misery in Egypt. I am will deliver them. He gon' bring them out into the land of the Canaanite, Hittites, Amorite, Parasites, Hivites, Jebusites. A land flowing with milk and honey. What if the people don't believe me? What's that in your hand? It's a staff, it's a staff. Throw it on the floor, tell me what you see. Pick it up again, tell me what you see. And if they still don't believe, put your hand in your cloak, pull it out, what you see. Put it back in your cloak, pull it out. God gave you power to perform the miraculous. Tell Pharaoh to let my people go. Yep.
Dito konde sambiro yawe, angasin nichenichitoa. Dito konde sambiro yawe, angasin nichenichitoa. Say we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with the sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind. See, we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with the sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind.
I turn that water into blood. Yup, you won't let my people go. Okay, I said we bring out the frogs, yeah. You still won't let my people go. Nope. Yahweh them rolled out their lights in the wild beast. Then he struck the land of Egypt with the pestilence. Livestock deficit. Yeah, you better let my people go. Oh man, tell Pharaoh let my people go. Yeah. You can go, but you gotta leave your son. Nah, man, we gotta worship God with everything. If you say no, I'ma have to put the boils on you. Yeah, tell Pharaoh let my people go. Yeah. You can go, but you gotta leave the young. Nah, man, we gotta worship God with everything. If you say no, I'ma have to bring the hill. Oh man, tell Pharaoh let my people go. Yeah. You can go, but you gotta leave the flocks. Nah, man, we gotta worship God with everything. If you say no, I'ma have to bring a real big dog.
Dito konde sambiro yawe, angasin nichenichitoa. Dito konde sambiro yawe, angasin nichenichitoa. Say we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with the sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Say we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with the sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Say we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with our sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind.
I turn that water into blood. Yup, you won't let my people go. Okay, I said we bring out the frogs, yeah. You still won't let my people go. Nope. Yahweh then brought out the lights and the wild beast. Then he struck the land of Egypt with the pestilence. Livestock deficit. Yeah, you better let my people go. Man, tell Pharaoh let my people go. Yeah. You can go, but you gotta leave your son. Nah, man, we gotta worship God with everything. If you say no, I'ma have to put the boils on you. Yeah, tell Pharaoh let my people go. Yeah. You can go, but you gotta leave the young. Nah, man, we gotta worship God with everything. If you say no, I'ma have to bring the hill. Man, tell Pharaoh let my people go. Yeah. You can go, but you gotta leave the flocks. Nah, man, we gotta worship God with everything. If you say no, I'ma have to bring a real big dog.
Dito con desambiro, Yahweh, angasin lichitoa. Dito con desambiro, Yahweh, angasin lichitoa. Say we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with the sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Say we gon' come out with the young, and we gon' come out with the old. We gon' come out with the sons and daughters. We gon' come out with the herds and our flocks. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a hoof gon' stay behind, yeah. Not a thing gon' stay behind. Not a thing gon' stay behind.